Your manual user manual. Simple plug-in. I like how these are all fully adjustable. All depending on where you got it in the tent, adjust it each way. That's nice. Upper and lower. So far, pretty impressed by the packaging and quality of everything. Even the box is pretty nice. Might even keep it. Here we go. Attach this on here. I don't always have trouble putting it in the hole, but today I couldn't find it. Got it all on together, and here we go. Let's plug it in and see what she does. What I like about this, it's got all different speeds, controls, 45 or 90 degree turn, and you have a wind, like a natural wind control. So it's like it goes high, low, you know, just like natural speed. Just doesn't keep it the same speed all the time, you know.